See here, this is my router 1. So I need to go here, configure terminal. This is the command. So once you enter into the configure terminal, the command is IP routing. To enable the routing process, then you need to mention router EIGRP, the AS number. What is the AS number we decided? AS number is 100. So now we have how many networks here? I have 1.0 network. I have this network, right? So I need to mention that networks. The command is network. So based on the syntax we mentioned, right? I'm getting straight. Based on the syntax, what is the syntax here? Network space, network ID, and the wildcard mask. So what is the network ID here? So the network ID will be 192.168.1.0, and the wildcard mask for class C is 0.0.0.255. That's it. We have another network, so we need to repeat the same command, network space 172.16.1.0, and the wildcard mask is 0.0.0.255. That's it. This is the configuration of router 1. The same thing you need to do in the router 2 as well. The same thing you need to do in the router 2. So once you enter into the router 2, so go to the configure terminal. Then IP routing, network, not network one. Router EIGRP, the AS number is 100. The next command is we need to introduce our network. What is the network we have in the local LAN network? So we are in a router 2 right here in this router. So what is the LAN network? 2.0. So I need to mention 192.168.2.0, and the subnet mask is /24. So the /24 subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So we already calculated that. What is the wildcard mask? So when we calculate the wildcard mask, we got this one 0.0.0.255. So here the value is 0.0.0.255. Even we have the WAN network. This is our LAN, right? This is our LAN network, and this is our WAN network. So we need to introduce this WAN network as well. So again, we need to repeat the same command, network space 172.16.1.0, and the subnet mask is /24. So wildcard mask will be 0.0.0.255. Exit. So once you perform this, guys, once you perform this, these two routers are going to form the neighborship. Router 1 is going to send the hello message to router 2, and router 2 is going to send the hello message with the help of multicast address. Once it forms the neighborship, then from router 1, with the help of show IP EIGRP, let me take in router 1, if you check right, in router 1, show IP EIGRP neighbor command. So you will see here, so R1 neighbor is R2. The same command, if you repeat on R2, right, show IP EIGRP neighbor. So R2 will become, R1 will become your neighbor. You will see like this in the neighbor table. So EIGRP is going to maintain 3 tables, right? This is the neighbor table verification. Neighbor table verification. So if you want to check the topology table, the command is show IP EIGRP topology. So there you will see the multiple routes. Multiple routes means router 1 we have the connectivity to router 2 and router 3 and router 4, and here we have a router 5. So this is our source. Here we have a destination. To reach from this source to this particular destination, we have this path 1, path 2 and path 3. This 3 information, 3 routes are 3 paths information you will see here. Routes are path information you will see in the topology table. Neighbor table. In this particular neighbor table, what you will see from router 1, whichever the router is directly connected, that router's information, router 2, router 3 information you are going to see here. And in the routing table, we have another table which is a routing table. In routing table, you will see only the best routes, towards your destination.